Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you printing in Python. Python tutorial for beginners. So what is printing? Printing is just basically writing whatever you want in it and it will just print out whatever you want. For example, let's just try a very simple one. So print, that's it. So print. You always need a parenthesis when you're printing something. And if you want to print some, whatever you want, you need a string. Let's print hello world. Hello world. If we do, it will print hello world. I think, did you guys see the